Installation video for micro all-in-one storage system. Bexie, part of Bexie Group, a professional one-stop solar and ESS solutions provider to help you build your own green energy. Thank you for choosing our micro all-in-one storage system, which is characterized by easy installation and plug and play, especially for balcony energy storage system. This video will briefly introduce the installation process and precautions of the micro all-in-one storage system. And if you still have any doubt, by the end of this video, we count with a great technical support team that will gladly help you in every step of the process. 1. What is micro all-in-one storage system? 2. Unboxing. 3. Installation and wiring tools. 4. Installation precautions. 5. Wiring and connection. 6. Power on the system. 1. What is micro all-in-one storage system? The micro all-in-one storage system is a plug-and-play solution system which can not only connect photovoltaic module and power grid to achieve energy optimization, but also provide the emergency energy backup when there is no power grid. 2. Unboxing. Unboxing display. Use the cutter to unpack the box. Then you can see the micro all-in-one, accessories, and the quick installation guide. Product display. Take the product out of the packaging box. The product for demonstration is a micro all-in-one with an 800 watts single-phase hybrid inverter plus a 2.4 kilowatt-hours battery. Please check the product appearance and nameplate. Accessories display. Accessories include AC terminals, PV terminals, CT, a quick installation guide, and a file bag. 3. Installation and wiring tools. Before installation, we need to prepare the tools as shown in the picture. 4. Installation precautions. Please select the appropriate installation area as shown in the picture, place it indoors, and lay it flat for use. 5. Wiring and connection. Terminals display. The terminal is located on the side of the product. Unscrew the protective cover plate. Then you can see the Wi-Fi stick, factory installed, communication port, including CT port, PV input port, AC port, battery button, and grounding terminal. Precautions. Now we start the wiring and connection. Please follow the steps below to complete the wiring to ensure that all the prepared terminal connections are reliable. Grounding. To ensure the safety of the system, the reliable grounding is necessary. Prepare the grounding cables and tighten them to the grounding ports on the product. AC output wiring. There is one AC port for connecting the power grid and the load. Take out the AC terminal, connect the L, N, and PE cables, and insert the prepared terminal to the AC port. PV input wiring. There are 4 pairs of photovoltaic input ports. Take out the PV terminals, connect the positive and negative PV cables, and insert the prepared terminals to the PV plus and PV minus ports. CT wiring. Take out the CT, prepare an RJ45 connector extension cable based on the actual distance, unscrew the protection cover of the communication port, insert the extension cable into the CT port, and tighten the protection cover. All wiring display. After all wiring are connected, please tighten the protection cover. Double check the installation and wiring of the micro all-in-one storage system. 6. Power on the system. Precautions and power on steps. Before the system is powered on, please ensure that the product is securely installed, all wiring is correct and reliable, and the surrounding environment is safe. Connect the AC and PV, press and hold the battery button, and then you start up when the indicator lights up. Thank you for your time. If any doubt, please don't be hesitated to contact us. Bexie and Bexie Group, your professional one-stop solar and ESS solutions provider, to help you build your own green energy.